Welcome back to Mr. J Tries. And yes, that is a flashlight. The lighting in here is atrocious, and I wanted you to see what's in this sandwich. Today I'm trying the ultimate cheesy garlic bread sub in the form of a meatball. Subway, eat fresh. Shameless plug. And no, I'm not expecting any free stuff from Subway for that. Just messing around. Anywho, I keep seeing these commercials of people having out-of-body experiences, and I'm thinking, I know garlic bread. I make and eat a lot of garlic bread. Let's see how they stack up. They use regular mozzarella cheese, grated, and they use this garlic butter, garlic cream cheese substance that comes in a tub. I'd love to know where they get it so I can get it myself. Makes it a lot easier than mixing garlic powder into some butter. They toasted it pretty decently. And now I'm going to see how well they put everything together. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Hmm. Well, I'm not floating above my sandwich. Honestly, they did a good job. The garlic in the concoction tastes like real, like micro minced garlic and butter. The cheese is good. The sauce is good. It's a standard marinara, and the cheese is a combo of mozzarella and provolone in my case. And it also had a sprinkle of oregano and double sprinkles of Parmesan at my request. And honestly, it all comes together to make a pretty satisfying sandwich. I don't know if it's ultimate, but it's definitely worth trying. If you like Italian sandwiches, in the vein of old mom and pop places in small towns, shout out to this guy in Dublin who we used to go to, then you'll probably like this sub. It's definitely worth trying at least once. This is Mr. J signing out. I'm reminding you, always finish your food.